Just as it is important to have a support plan for your drones and robots, it's also very important to understand lifecycle affordability. And I draw the same analogy of purchasing a motor vehicle. Did you realise that if you own a vehicle for more than 5 years, you'll probably spend far more on maintaining that motor vehicle than you did on the initial purchase price? The same applies for drones and robots. Understanding the affordability of these important pieces of equipment is very crucial to your bottom line. It's not just about the cost of it, buying it and it being delivered on day one. It's about what's the ongoing costs of maintenance, spare parts, training, upgrades and storage. These are all costs that you need to factor in when you buy this equipment right from the outset. Put simply, it's not all about the purchase on day one, it's about the life cycle affordability across the time that you have this equipment. This concludes the 3-part series on my takeaways from the 2021 World Drones and Robotics Congress. The 3 things that we covered were understanding the design implications of your selection in whatever drone or robot you choose. The second episode, we looked at having a supportability plan in place so that your team knew what was involved in having this equipment work and supplement your business operations. And in the final episode, we looked at the affordability life cycle. So understanding the whole of life costs, not just the purchase on day one, but what are those enduring costs for however long you maintain those robots or maintain those drones. I hope you've got something out of it. This is a fascinating subject. It's something we are intimately involved with at AML Advisory, and we'd love to help you if you embark on this program.